Bleeding your power steering system is essential to remove trapped air that can cause noise, stiffness, or poor steering response. Doing it the right way ensures smooth and quiet steering performance. Here are some ways to bleed power steering system the right way. Begin by checking the power steering fluid reservoir to ensure it has the correct amount of fluid. The fluid level should be within the recommended range marked on the reservoir. If it's low, top it up with the manufacturer recommended power steering fluid before starting the bleeding process. This step is important to prevent air from entering the system and to ensure smooth operation during bleeding. If possible, lift the front wheels off the ground using a jack and secure the vehicle with jack stands. Raising the front end helps reduce resistance when turning the steering wheel during the bleeding process. This makes it easier to move the steering from side to side smoothly, allowing trapped air to escape more effectively from the power steering system. With the engine turned off, slowly turn the steering wheel from lock to lock, moving it fully from left to right about 10 to 15 times. This motion helps push any trapped air bubbles toward the power steering reservoir, allowing them to rise and escape. While doing this, keep an eye on the fluid level and top it up if necessary to prevent more air from entering the system. With the reservoir cap removed, start the engine and allow it to idle. Slowly turn the steering wheel about 5 to 10 times to help move any remaining air through the system. As you do this, watch the reservoir closely. You may notice bubbles rising to the surface, which indicates that trapped air is escaping from the power steering lines. Carefully observe the power steering fluid in the reservoir as the system runs. The fluid should appear clear and free of foam or bubbles. If you notice foamy or bubbly fluid, it means air is still trapped in the system. In that case, repeat the bleeding process until the fluid becomes smooth and steady, ensuring all air has been removed for proper steering performance. Using the right power steering fluid is essential when bleeding your power steering system, as it helps remove trapped air effectively and ensures smooth operation. Quality fluid maintains proper hydraulic pressure, reduces friction between moving parts, and prevents wear on the steering pump and rack. It also protects seals and hoses from drying out or cracking, extending the overall lifespan of the system. The power steering conversion kit works by replacing old or mismatched power steering parts with a complete, high-quality system that keeps fluid flowing smoothly. It uses durable hoses, a reservoir, and a cooler to maintain proper fluid pressure and temperature. As the fluid moves through the system, air bubbles are pushed out more easily, making it simpler to bleed the system. So proper bleeding keeps your steering smooth, quiet, and reliable.